Lemon is a versatile essential oil that has many different uses, but most people don't realize that it also offers benefits for the lungs as well. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of this essential oil and how it can be used for boosting the health of your respiratory system. If you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. Lemon trees are native to Asia and have been used medicinally for thousands of years for a variety of health issues. They produce high concentrations of oil that can be extracted and formulated into the essential oil supplement that is widely used today. It was discovered to contain antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties that offer an array of benefits when it comes to improving breathing. So now you may be wondering, how does lemon oil work? It can be used in aromatherapy to reduce fever and relieve a sore throat and flu-like symptoms. The oil contains vitamin C and antioxidant properties that help to clear the nasal passages and eliminate toxins, which ultimately makes breathing easier. Not a lot of clinical data has been accumulated in this area yet, but many users have had positive experience with this essential oil, which is why it's such a popular home remedy. Keep in mind though that lemon oil is definitely not a bronchodilator, and it should not be used as a replacement for albuterol or other prescription medications. As always, please check with your doctor before using or consuming lemon or any other essential oil, especially if you have a respiratory condition such as asthma or COPD. And just in case you were wondering, this essential oil is usually sold as a supplement and can be purchased from a local pharmacy or from online retailers such as Amazon. I included links to some of our favorite lemon oil products down below in the description, so definitely check those out if you're interested. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel. Also, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other resources that I think you will enjoy. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to drop a like on this video, and you might as well go ahead and click the subscribe button while you're down there. I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for this one. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.